Fishing at sea is a dangerous job, especially when hunting giant halibut in the icy waters. Skilled fishermen battle rough waves, strong winds, and the challenge of hauling 100-kilogram fish from the depths of the ocean onto their boats. Today, we'll follow these fishermen and witness the process of catching, harvesting, and preparing these massive halibut. Let's dive in. The waters of Alaska, USA, and British Columbia, Canada, are well known for their abundant population of Pacific halibut. To harvest this valuable species, fishermen use the long-line fishing method, deploying long-baited lines, a technique that requires precision and patience. The fishing process begins with bait preparation. Fishermen cut small fish into pieces, hook them onto hundreds of baited hooks attached to a long line stretching hundreds of meters. Once the baited hooks are in place, the entire line is carefully deployed into the deep ocean. The line remains submerged for several hours, or even an entire day, allowing enough time for the fish to detect and take the bait. The long fishing line rests on the seabed, bait drifting in the water, luring in a lurking halibut until it takes the bite and is caught. When the time comes, the crew begins hauling up the line from hundreds of meters below the surface. One by one, the hooked halibut emerge, thrashing violently as they are pulled from the water. Smaller fish can be lifted aboard easily. But massive halibut weighing hundreds of kilograms require at least 2 people to bring them onto the deck. Some of the largest fish can be dangerous due to their powerful struggles, requiring skilled handling to avoid injury. Once on board, the halibut are immediately processed, cleaned, gilled, and gutted to preserve their freshness before being stored. The filleting process begins with a sharp knife slicing along the length of the halibut, making a precise cut from head to tail, splitting the meat down the middle. Next, the blade skillfully slides between the flesh and the central bone, carefully separating the firm, thick fillets from the skeleton. Once one side is completed, the fish's eyes may be removed, and the process is repeated on the other side. The knife glides smoothly again, detaching the tender white meat from the bones, ensuring clean, high-quality fillets, ready for further preparation.
Welcome to the innovative world of forestry machinery, where cutting-edge technology and powerful design come together to transform timber harvesting. In this space, we'll explore some of the most advanced tools pushing the limits of what's achievable, ensuring every operation is executed smoothly, efficiently, and safely. In forestry, precision and skill are paramount. From felling towering trees to navigating rough terrain, only the most reliable and robust machines can get the job done. Let's start by introducing one of these essential tools, the high-performance chainsaw. This machine's remarkable cutting power allows it to fell even the largest trees quickly and safely. Its precision ensures work progresses smoothly with minimal delays or risks. Are you in search of a strong and dependable wood harvesting machine? Look no further than the K25RH2. They can haul large loads of timber effortlessly across any terrain, be it muddy, icy, or steep, ensuring reliability and durability in all conditions. In timber construction, cranes with powerful engines are essential. With up to 350 horsepower, these cranes have the capacity to lift even the heaviest wooden structures. Their strong lifting power and adjustable speed make them ideal for building wooden houses, speeding up operations while ensuring precision in every lift. The MA509A is another crucial machine in the timber harvesting process. With its powerful engine, it efficiently removes logs from the forest, ensuring smooth transport to the processing site. Also essential are the LP9 wood harvester and LP118G wood tractor, both designed to maximize speed and energy efficiency, enhancing productivity in the field. When navigating muddy roads, the Ural timber transport truck stands out. With advanced technology and a powerful engine, it allows for precise, intricate carving, making it perfect for crafting fine wooden furniture, such as detailed doors. Similarly, the 5-axis CNC wood lathe is an essential tool for skilled woodworkers. Its sharp 33 cm blade and powerful engine allow it to cut through 1 cubic meter of firewood in seconds, saving time and enhancing productivity. Are you ready to see these powerful machines in action? Its optimized design ensures efficient operation, resulting in high-quality wood products and boosted productivity. For quick firewood processing, the rocker circular saw is a top choice. The workers ring the cheese blocks to determine if there is a clear, distinct sound. If the sound is clear and resonant, it means that the cheese is of good quality. Once the quality check has been passed, the cheese is then fire stamped, during which important details like the origin, date of production, and identification code are stamped onto the rind. This traceability and authenticity are critical in the marketplace today. For products that have met the rigorous quality requirements, labels are placed that indicate batch numbers, dates of manufacture, date of expiry, and traceability details. After packaging, with its powerful engine, it excels at loading wood and maximizing efficiency. However, its high fuel consumption and maneuverability challenges in rough terrain mean it's best suited for specific tasks. For high-end woodworking, the CNC router is the ideal tool. Coupled with the precision of a cat excavator, it makes transporting and clearing large stumps from the site a quick and efficient process, saving time and effort. When hauling massive logs through tough environments, the Wayward tractor excels. With 250 horsepower, it can transport heavy logs across rugged terrain with precision and ease, making it an indispensable asset for logging operations that require both power and accuracy. Even the most powerful machines can face obstacles. The CAMAS 43118 encountered difficulty hauling timber through a sunken road, but the TDT-55, a high-horsepower rescue vehicle, arrived to pull it free, demonstrating the power of well-designed machinery to solve real-world problems. If you're looking to upgrade your forestry operation, these timber transport trucks with high-horsepower engines are ideal. Videos when we explore all these interesting lines of production. Changing gears, let us consider the dairy farming sector and how it has developed over time. Previously, when farms had just 100 to 200 cows, things were relatively smooth. But as the herds expanded to the thousands, farmers saw the necessity of modernizing and upgrading their milking systems to keep pace with the growing demand for milk and dairy products. For maximum standards of safety and hygiene, every cow's udder is thoroughly cleaned prior to milking. This process is imperative to avoid contamination and keep the milk pure. The cheese is warehoused in dedicated cold storage rooms, kept at a temperature range of 3 to 5 degrees Celsius. This helps the cheese preserve its maximum freshness and quality until it is sent out to retailers and customers globally. Cheese is not only great tasting food but also fantastically nutritious. Rich in high-quality protein, calcium, vitamin B12, and essential minerals, cheese provides numerous health benefits. Cheese is also of high market value and one of the most popular dairy foods used globally. The procedure behind producing quality cheese is a witness to the devotion, accuracy, and care exercised in each step of production. If you're interested in the intricacies of how cheese is made and you'd like to see how things go on inside these factories, be sure to check out our future videos, in which we'll share more about dairy farming and the process of making cheese. With a high-horsepower engine, it tackles even the most difficult terrain, ensuring timely transport of timber despite weather challenges or road conditions. For a versatile and efficient wood splitter, the Binder Burger 20T is an excellent option. With its powerful engine and wireless winch, it handles both cutting and splitting wood with precision and speed, making the entire process more efficient. The Grohe GSW40FRZW Turbo Wood Splitter takes things to the next level, offering extraordinary power with its high horsepower engine. It handles logs up to 1 meter long and delivers a splitting force of up to 88,000 pounds, ensuring maximum efficiency. Its precision and advanced technology allow it to bring complex design ideas to life with speed and accuracy, ensuring unique and creative wooden pieces. The LT20 machine with a 150 horsepower engine guarantees fast and precise wood cutting. The wheels, with soft pressure mechanisms, trail closely behind, lightly pressing the earth surrounding the roots. This serves to stabilize the plant so that it establishes proper contact with the earth and promotes healthy root growth, which is essential for the long-term growth of the plant. Once around 4 to 5 months have passed, the artichokes begin to flower, and this marks the time for their first harvest. Timing is everything when it comes to artichoke harvesting. The buds must be of a large size, still tender, and tightly closed, so that they are of the best quality. Harvested too early or too late, the artichokes lose their tender